It's a beautiful day here in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we have a brand new Boston Whaler 160 Sport. This 160 Sport has the nice split bow rails. We have, of course, the standard cooler seat here. We can get a cushion on top. We can also get the bow cushion on top of the anchor locker there. And we have the nice fiberglass bench seat. We got the two cup holders down the middle. We do have lockable dry storage in front of the console here. You can also outfit this console with the windshield. The windshield is designed to perfectly take that wind and direct it right over your head. This 16 Sport has the 2 gas tank package. Looking aft, we got the 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. We have the bimini top. And on the starboard side, just behind the helm, we have the tray back there for storing some fishing equipment and tackle boxes. If you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport, please call us, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.